Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer and today we are going to make this 2D figure in AutoCAD. Also, this is our 7th drawing in our playlist, so make sure you check out our earlier videos. So let's get started today. We only know the distance between two endpoints is 120 and these two lines are parallel to each other. And rest all dimensions are not given, so you're free to choose any dimension. The aim is to make a drawing which looks like this and the endpoints are at 120. So first we are going to make this figure with any dimension and then we are going to scale it. Okay, so let's take our pan command, move our main drawing to the left and let's start drawing. So we will draw first equilateral triangles. Okay, so I will take this line command. We'll click, we will drag and enter. I am taking equilateral triangle of side 60. You can take of any dimension. So I will enter 60, press enter. Now equilateral triangles internal angle is 60 degree, so our external will be 120. So first let's enter 60. Now press tab and now let's enter 120 degree. And let's just go to this first point and let's end it and press escape. Okay, this is our triangle. I'm going to join all these three lines. So select all the three lines. Go to this modify drop down and select this join command. Okay. Now let's take this line. We will need lines which to cut these tops. As in figures, we are not having the tops. So let's just go to this vertex, do not click and just move along the one of the sides. Now enter 10 and press enter. You can take any dimension. I am taking 10 as it looks good. Okay. So now we want this line at equal distance on all the three sides. So I am going to use polar array. So let's just select, go to this drop down and select our polar array command. Now it is set to specify the center. So we will specify the center of triangle. That is the CG of our triangle. So select. Now let's change the number of items to 3 and press enter. And let's close the array. Also, we need to just explode them. So just select, go to home and select this explode command so that our line works individually. Okay, so now we can just trim these parts. So select our trim command and just trim the outer portions and press escape. Now let's just join the inner parts. So let's take our line command and let's join them. Press Now press enter to repeat the command. Select this point and select this point and press escape. Again enter. Select this point and escape. So we have made one. Now we want another one which is just mirror of this. So let's select the whole drawing first. Let's go to this mirror command and let's make a line like this and press no. Okay, so we have made these two. Okay, so now just let's select this drawing and select our move command. We see that the upper edge is at the same point of the center. So we will select this center point and we will bring it down to this point. Okay. Now we need to trim some of the portions here. So let's take our trim command here. Trim all these lines here and trim in the same way all these lines of the center. Now in the figure it is given to trim these lines and what else are there? These lines are also there. This line and this line. Okay. So we have made our drawing. Also we see this drawing is rotated. so that these two ends are parallel to each other. So to make any two of the lines parallel, we will just rotate our drawing to 30 degree. So let's select. Now choose our this rotate command. Click on any vertex and give input of 30 degree and press enter. Now we see that these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now we see that these two lines are looking similar. Now we need to make it to the 120 degree. So let's just zoom in. Now we will take our line command. We will start from the midpoint of this line. We'll make horizontally of 120 units and press enter. Now press escape. Now we are going to select our whole drawing and scale it along according to this line. So just select our whole drawing. Now go to the scale command and click on this point and click on the midpoint of our this 120 unit line. So we got our line. Now just select this line and delete. Now let's just move to the same reference. Select move, click here like this. So we got our similar figure. Also you can add dimension here if you want. We will go to this layer. We'll change our layer to dimension layer. Select this, choose first endpoint, choose next endpoint, drag and click. Okay, so we are done with our drawing. If at any point you face any difficulty, feel free to drop down a message or you can even mail us on our mail ID. Also, if you want to access this DWG file, I will put its link in the description below of our GitHub account. You can download it from there. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.